So hello again, guys. Now we're going to do the really fun part. We get to smash our tempered glass. Once again, I said this is the only time mosaic artists use hammers, and you need a great big, really heavy, strong hammer. Safety is hugely important. I want to make sure that you have long pants on, that you have closed-toe shoes. I always wear gloves. Granted, it is tempered glass, but still you have to keep safety in mind. And I always wear some sort of eyewear as well. The glass when it breaks is kind of unpredictable. It may just very quietly make a splintering sound, very gently, isn't that nice? Or it may explode. So you just never know. So one of the things I do is I insulate it here. This is just brown craft paper. And I wrap it up very, very well in brown craft paper. That way, if it explodes, I've contained the mess, plus it doesn't go everywhere. All right, now I need to cut out or rip out a side of this, because when you crash this, you're not going to crash it in the middle. You're going to go for that side right there. So let's get ready to do this. Are you all ready? Let me put my gloves on. And it's kind of unpredictable what size and shapes of glass you get. We're hoping for some bigger chunks, but you never know. This glass has got a mind of its own. It may take a couple of whacks. Sometimes you get lucky and get it on the first whack, but you may not. So you know what? You guys that are right there, you might want to stand back or go put some eyewear on. Just stand back. There you go. I think I got it. I did. Oh yeah. I got it. But you see some of this little stuff kind of spattered around. In fact, one did sort of half hit me in the face. So you do have to protect yourself. It's a hot summer day here, but in a perfect world, you probably should have long sleeves on as well. I like to get a flat box and then just sort of gently pour it into a flat box, if I can. There it is. See those pretty little diamonds? That's all it took. Now, this is a big chunk, but all it takes is a little pressure. See? And you can make it any size chunk you want. Ta-da! So if you hold on, I'm going to do another one here. I'm going to have Chris break one because she's never done that before. This one will break a little bit easier because this was the 1/4-inch glass. What she's going to break here is the thinner glass, the 1/8 inch glass, but I want to fold this up as well. Are you right-handed, Chris?
Yes, I am.
Glasses?
Glasses, thank you.
Gloves behind you.
Thank you.
And I'll get out of your way so you can get it a good whack. Give it a whack.
So you have to have coordination.
Yeah, so hold it with your left hand, so there you go.
So the point is sticking out.
Yeah,
Just
get
hit the point.
just hit the point. You have to whack it again. Whack it again. There, I think you got it. Feel it. Go ahead and feel the inside. Oh yeah, you got it. Let's open this up. Woo!
There we are.
Whoa! How unpredictable was that? Look at this shape. I can't explain that.
It's sounding like Kentucky.
Oh! Isn't that beautiful? Just like little diamonds.
Oh, this is kind of Michigan. Here.
Oh, we can do one of
Got
states.
states, yeah.
So here. We did it. Aren't they beautiful? And of course, you always need a studio brush. You never want to brush this stuff with your hands because it is sharp. So here's a studio bench brush, and I'll clean up our mess. And we've got glass. Very good. Thanks, Chris.
You're welcome.